My name is Dan Dorfmueller. I'm the author of the Print Reading for Construction textbook and the video training series. This video training series is a review of each unit in the textbook. What's the big why? Why learn to read prints? Let me ask you, are you interested in the construction trades? Do you like to build things? Maybe it started with Legos. Maybe someday you want to build your own home, or you just want to be involved in building a large commercial building. Or are you good working with your hands? If you answer yes to any of these questions, learning to read construction prints is a great place to start your career. Or maybe you're already in the construction industry and you want to advance your career. Well then, learning how to read construction prints is for you. I have made it easier than ever before using my Print Reading for Construction textbook and this video training series. You can now self-study on your own. The rest of this video is a review of the material in the course. I look forward to you joining us in this learning experience. There are 17 units. Each unit is packed with valuable content, including 4 advanced activities to test your knowledge at the end of the textbook. There are 7 sets of drawings totaling 140 large study prints. And don't forget to check out how to open and organize the large prints video. The textbook is broken down into core content, units 1 through 7. Which is a set of knowledge and activities that all print readers need to know. I call this the core information. It includes drawing organization, construction math, reading scales, what are those lines and symbols, fundamental drawing, introduction into specifications and building codes, along with an introduction to construction materials. Units 8 through 16 are more specific, exploring site plans, architectural drawings, foundations, structural drawings, residential framing prints, plumbing, HVAC, electrical drawings, and an introduction to welding prints and symbols, along with Unit 17 is an introduction into estimating construction costs. Each unit has an easy and a bit more complicated residential drawing set and a commercial drawing set used in the activities depending on your area of interest. There is something for all levels of knowledge and ages of entry into learning to read construction prints. For the newcomers, we have provided an easy residential set called the Sullivan House. A bit more complex and challenging is the Marcelli Residence, and it includes some MEP prints. The Delhi Flower and Garden Center is a commercial project used throughout the units in the Test Your Knowledge activities. This set of drawings will provide a challenging opportunity to hone your skills in reading commercial drawings. Why learn to read prints? Well, if you get it wrong, it could look like this. Each unit starts with the learning objectives and a list of technical terms related to that unit. Then the unit's material. Unit 1 is an introduction to construction drawing organization. We refer to construction drawings frequently as blueprints, which comes from the day when architects and engineers drew them on vellum and literally made prints with white lines and blue background using a diazo printing machine. There was a real sense of beauty to these old drawings. Today we have many other methods of producing printed drawings, but most are in electronic format, and the most common for job sites are PDFs. We discuss how drawings are numbered using the Uniform Drawing System, a standard of guidelines for organizing and presenting building design information. And what's on a title page? Remember, the entire purpose of this training is to make you feel comfortable to open a set of drawings and begin to find the information you need for your job. And that starts with the table of contents. My recommendation is to flip through the entire set and become familiar with its contents. Unit 2 is all about basics of construction math, starting with adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing fractions, finding missing dimensions, learning the math to find area and volumes of basic shapes, along with some fun application activities for students to explore. One of my favorite units, Unit 3, we review how to use a tape measure, look at metric measurement system, and most importantly, understand how to use an architect's and engineer's scale. The unit is filled with lots of student activities. In Unit 4, we explore what all those lines and symbols mean on the drawings, including symbols to communicate different materials used in construction. In Unit 5, the fundamental drawing practices, we teach the basics of orthographic projection and how to sketch freehand. Unit 6, we review specifications and building codes. We explain the Construction Specifications Institute's master format system, how specifications are organized. I call this the anatomy of specifications, including a few excerpts from specifications not in the book, and how to find information in contract documents. Unit 6 is the first unit you will use the large prints. Unit 7, Construction Materials, Types and Uses. In this unit, we look at many common construction materials used in construction, starting with gravel, sub-base material, concrete, reinforcing materials, masonry, steel, and lots more. Unit 8 is Site Plans. Here we explore bearings, contours, benchmarks, site graphics. This unit is all about what goes on outside the building. Unit 9, we look at architectural drawings, floor plans, elevations, sections, and details. Unit 10 is Foundation Prints. This is the support system for the structure of the building. We will explore common foundation systems, foundation plans, sections, and details. Unit 11, the structural prints, one of my favorite units. The structural set, which also includes the foundation drawings, is usually a major part of the construction documents. We also take a look at architectural concrete. Unit 12 is dedicated to residential and light commercial framing prints. We look at types of wall framing, floor framing, and roof framing. Unit 13 is plumbing prints. We look at the stages of plumbing, plumbing systems, and how plumbing is indicated on drawings. Unit 14 is HVAC, heating, ventilating, and air conditioning prints. Here we look at some systems and how they are indicated on the drawings. And Unit 15 is electrical prints. In this unit we include electrical symbols, wiring diagrams, wiring distribution panels, types of wiring and wire sizes, and much more. Unit 16, welding prints. We take a look at types of welding symbols for both shop and field welds. Unit 17, estimating construction cost, is an introduction into construction takeoff and estimating systems. Thank you for watching this overview of the Print Reading for Construction textbook and accompanying videos. For more information, please contact your GW educational consultant at the phone number or website below. Don't wait. Start learning to read construction prints today. It's never been easier.